Bread gang. That guy. Oh.
There we go.
Ooh, what's up guys? Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We are starting it off early this morning. Now I've already gone and gotten my mom some breakfast, but now it's time to meet the boys. Look, y'all remember this house? Y'all remember it? It's been a long time since I filmed here, and it's always super excited to come back to where you started, and you know, just bring it back. You know, one thing I really pride myself in is no matter how many followers I have, no matter what happens in my life, I'm still the same Alex that a lot of you guys met years ago. You know, I'm still the same Alex that was on YouTube 2 years ago when I first started. And one thing I really pride myself in is never forgetting where you have come from. You know, really make sure you stay true to who you are and what you believe in. And that's what we're doing today. We're starting it back. We're in Tallahassee for the day. We got all day. I'm not leaving today. I'm leaving tomorrow. So we got all day to go mess around and have some fun. I'm about to go meet up with Thomas and the Hummer and Nick. And there is a big truck show tonight, so make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, show some love to the Bread Gang. It's gonna be a good day. There's a big truck show tonight, so we're all hanging out. We got Sam, Thomas, right? We got Cliff, we got Sam, we got Thomas, we got Nick. He likes to cuss a lot. That's what I'm gonna call him. He likes to call him. We're all hanging out at the Bass Pro Shop parking lot and just kind of getting some people together before we head out to the meet. Chipotle or Buffalo Wild Wings. Let me know in the comments which we should go. But you gotta let me finish filming first. God dang it.
No, I can do it. I have one last wheel.
We got one last wheel. Hey look, it's tradition. Before we go to shows, we write Bread Gang in the dirt on the wheels. And he's done it twice and hadn't let me film it. So before you even do it,
That is a lot of weight.
yeah, this wheel's warped. So.
That is bad.
Yeah.
What is that, like 9 ounces?
Like 15. Bread Gang. So now, every one of the wheels has Bread Gang written in them because I famously never wash my truck before we go to any of these meets or shows. And actually the right front wheel, or no, it's the left front wheel still has the Bread Gang writing in it from like 3 weeks ago. So when we went to that show in Augusta, it still has Bread Gang written in the wheels for the Merck's Toys for Tot show. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. But we're gonna dick around for a little bit, and then we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to this show. Thank you. I don't know what you did behind me, but that guy. All right, guys, what are we doing here?
Okay, so
That's so tight.
most of y'all have probably seen Danny Duncan. He bought like 2 carts full of Coke bottles, and he shakes them, he throws them up as high as he can, and they explode. Or they shoot up like a bottle rocket.
So I guess the point is throw it up as high as possible, let it hit the ground, and then it, like literally so you gotta shake it up a lot.
Yeah.
These have so much pressure. Look, you can't even, well, you can push in just a little bit right there,
pushing on the side.
but try and push it on the sides. It's like that's solid. So
Go with it.
let's do it.
Here you go.
I'm scared, but
Right there.
oh. All right, who's next? This is so funny.
Go for it, son. I don't think you're gonna do it. Oh, I'm wrong.
How many are left?
You got one if you want
Let me get one. Yeah, let me get one. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. I thought he threw one over here.
We have one left already.
Alex is gonna do it.
Let me get the last one.
You f***ed it up.
Oh man, I remember my first time.
You gotta go.
Yeah, shake it up good for me.
Yeah, just stand there and shake it till it goes.
You can do that?
Yeah. Well, I mean, let's get
Here we go, here we go. Oh! All right, here.
Just launch this bitch. That thing is so quick.
Emmett, go over there with him. Go catch it, Emmett. Go catch it. You gotta catch the bottle.
No.
All right, here, last.
I don't know if I even got that.
All right, last one. Here we go. I don't see any cameras, so I think we can. That's like spin it a lot.
Yeah, spin it.
Like spin it a lot.
Yeah. I don't fucking know.
Oh my God! I remember my first time. What a bitch.
Shake it, Emmett.
I'd be scared. It's like a ball. There we go. Oh, are you serious?
I actually threw that one.
I remember my first time.
I actually
Can't
threw
say
that
anything
one.
to me now. Do it again.
I actually threw it that time.
No.
I think that would hit my truck. Oh, he's gone.
Perfect. Oh.
So lame.
That's heartbreaking.
All right, let's go eat.
Hey, bro, get the spikes and regular load nuts on there.
Oh yeah, the spikes, bro. Oh yeah.
What time is it right now?
7:50.
7:50. We've been on the road for about an hour. We're on the way back today. We just stopped at McDonald's here. I don't know where the fuck we are, to be honest. I have no idea where we're at. We got about 3 hours till we're back in Atlanta, but it's been a pretty successful trip so far. Nobody's died.
We're in Riverside, wherever that is.
Riverside. We're in Riverside. But it's been any updates? Anything you want to say?
Dead ass.
I'll see you guys when we get to Atlanta.
That's what I'm talking about.